See, my camera is floating again. It's floating. So I'm gonna let it sit here for like a few minutes. And then maybe we'll go to the drawbridge, if we can get up on the drawbridge at Ocean City and get some footage there. I ain't gonna be able to get all the way up on it, but I'll get somewhat. I don't want to sink to the bottom. It's kind of hard to get my camera on my chest synchronized because it's not showing on my phone for some odd reason. I always have a problem with the regular GoPro Hero, which is it's the internal battery where it keeps on don't want to connect to my phone. Like, I'm in the channel, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm in the channel, as you can see the current. And like, you know, I'm just releasing camera as much as I can. As much as I can, I'm trying to release the, so you guys can get some footage. I don't know how deep it is here. But apparently I must be all the way down. Yeah, I'm all the way down. So we'll get some footage here, and then we'll go to the inlet. I'm not trying to make you all dizzy. There, look at that twist. There we go. So we got about 10 minutes. We'll stop the recording there. Get some footage. to zoom out too. How did you just zoom it? Alright. Power off.